Hi everyone, so this is another quick unboxing. I ordered some shoes from Rue-la-la for the first time. I actually ordered some earrings too, so these aren't my first item, but I just wanted to unbox them quickly because I'd never used excuse me, I'd never used them before. So I just wanted to show you how things arrive. So I ordered a pair of espadrilles from this brand, and they came in another shipping box, but inside the shipping box you do get the shoe box from the brand. Just mentioning that because these are all of these items, it's the kind of unique proposition of the website. All of their items are on discount, and so here we go. So this is the authentic box that you get. These aren't terribly expensive, but you know, some people collect their shoe boxes. They really want them for display purposes or for just, I don't know, whatever reason. So you do get a real shoe box. They send you a card. Oh, well, the brand sent this, I guess. That's nice. Postcard. So you do still get those authentic touches, I guess, as if you were to have purchased from the brand. At least this one. In addition to that, though, Rue-la-la sent me a skincare sample. So this is it, Confidence in a Cream. I don't know, like I get these samples of Confidence in a Cream everywhere, and I have 2 jars, well, like mainly one left over from just getting free stuff from it over the course of time. And it's always this that they're sampling, which it is a very moisturizing cream, but still, like, I wonder why they're just like everywhere gives out these samples. So Rue-la-la does sell cosmetics and beauty skincare type stuff in addition to clothes, shoes, housewares. I ordered a juice detox cleanse, which I should review. I've been doing that. I meant to review it. So look out for that video. And here you can see they also have, I guess, a discount on the Wall Street Journal Wine Club, where they can send you different wines for $69.99 for members of Rue-la-la. And I think that's it. Yeah. These are my shoes. I just wanted a comfortable, casual pair of espadrilles. I opted for flats this time. I am a Shoe Dazzle affiliate as well, and I did order 2 pairs of heels from them that should be here soon, so look out for that review. But that's it for now. This is just a really quick thing. I wanted to show you how it works in case you've seen Rue-la-la around, and we're wondering what it would be like to order from them. So there's no membership fee. It's kind of like Guilt. You just create an account and then you just start shopping. So on that note, I'm going to end this video. I will see you guys again soon. In the meantime, take care and be well, and stay safe, stay clean, stay organized. Bye now.